Welcome to another edition of Foodie Family Adventures. I'm Jenny from the Ginger Twist, and this week we're trying one of my family's favorite meals, shawarma. I've been obsessed with this meal since about 2012 when the Avengers movie came out, and Tony Stark was like, "Okay, we've just saved the world. Now let's go eat some shawarma." And I was like, "What is shawarma? I must try this." And I did, and I have not stopped eating it ever since. So, this is an easy chicken recipe. You're just going to marinate some chicken in a really flavorful marinade. And then, what's great about this recipe is you can choose different ways to prepare it. Here, I am doing it in the slow cooker, but I take the exact same recipe and bake it in the oven. Or you could also take the marinated chicken and grill it too. It's so easy and so flavorful. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to make some tabbouleh. This is a really easy side dish salad that is perfect to serve with this meal. You're just going to cook some bulgur, and then you're going to mix up a dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, and some garlic and spices, and then mix that together with a bunch of chopped veggies and toss it all together until it's well coated. And then you're just going to put it in the fridge to chill for about an hour. I would probably use a bigger bowl than I did because you can see that I made a mess here. But it's really easy and it's really delicious. Then, when it's all ready to go, you're just going to shred the chicken if you've cooked it in the slow cooker, and then you can serve it all together. There's supposed to be a garlic sauce with this too, but I realized that I forgot to make that. So, but it's still delicious. And then I just serve it differently depending on the ages of my kids and what they like in it. So I know that they will love it. I hope that you love this as much as we did. Thanks.